Hey, just a super quick update because nothing is working. I'm joking, but I'm still in the middle of fixing this lovely transition of publishing a feed into plan. So when this is all messy because it's in the middle of work, but when the sponsor will make a plan, they will publish a duration of the plan, the swarm key, and the program. And the program consists of the data set, regions, timetable, and performance, wished performance. And the timetable is basically like in which time. So here are these components. So the data set is ID of feed and the ranges. Performances is basically an array of this type of wished performances for the hosting, and timetable is basically something that translates into the schedule, basically, like when do you want it, like every Monday for 2 hours in the mornings, and so on. So we just made like a nicely compact way of expressing this so that we don't store tons of information in the database. And we are also making components here. So that's why the ID is -1, because this basically means that this particular data set that we will be using is not yet, the feed for this particular data set is not yet published, which means that we also have to publish it on the go. If it was a positive number, that means it's an existing ID. If it's negative, that means that it will come with the make plan function as an argument in the components. So then we know, if so here, because this is the first plan, all of these components are actually have to be published before the plan is published, and then the IDs will change into the IDs of the published components. But we do this on the fly, on the chain. So when we publish a plan, we basically publish all these items, we add them to the database, we get then the IDs, and then we update the program. Program is this thing, the program, with the actual IDs. So this is what we are doing here. There is something, of course, not working yet because it's, I don't know, it's just like the first trial. I just tried I wrote everything and then just ran it and figured out it's very late already. So I'm just seeing that like, oh, data set is not defined. Somehow, somewhere, I messed up something. So I have to continue tomorrow or on Monday and finish this transition. But yeah, this is what I've been working on today. And that's how far I came. So see you next time, and hopefully this will run. Let's see.